To use Storyblocks, what you have to do is open up your Google or Chrome browser and search for storyblocks.com. And after that it will take you to a page, and if you have not signed in, then go and sign in. And then on the upper right corner you will have plans and pricing. Click on that. And now here you will have two options, for individuals or for businesses. So for individuals we have a starter plan which is for £15 per month, and you can bill annually, monthly plans also. If you select this plan, you will only download 5 videos or 5 things, but I won't recommend this plan. I will recommend this one, unlimited all access, which is £29, which has unlimited downloads, HD footage, 4K footage, After Effects templates, music and sound effects. Everything's good. So after choosing your plan, on the stock media here you have stock footage, animated backgrounds, templates, and everything. So we can go and search here on the search bar. So we can also click here and then we can filter. We want a video, footage, background, templates, music, sound effects, image, photos, illustrations, anything. So I'll choose video and I'll be searching for counting money. And after searching we will find a lot of results, like we have 1550 results for counting money. So if you scroll all the way down, we will have 33 pages. So let's go to the 5th page. We'll probably find an interesting one. So it may take a while to load this page, and then after loading you can go ahead and choose a video that you want to download. You should just click on that clip, and now you have this video. Then you can go and choose the quality you want to download it. Here I have not subscribed it yet, but if you want to use Storyblocks, then you can go and subscribe, and then you will have the download option. Choose any file size that you would like and then click on download. So that's how you use your Storyblocks. You can download any video or any images that you would like, and after that you can also choose audios, and under the audio you will also find the audios of counting money, so you can go and download this one. So that's it guys, that's how you use your Storyblocks, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thank you.